G'day, welcome to the channel. We're going to show you three things. It's a bit of a scatter, but a real good grasp of what it's like on the Gili Islands. We're on the island of Gili Trawangan today. Going to show you, we're going to go for lunch at a cheap warung. Heaps better than the stuff you find on the beach. Heaps cheaper, about half the price, locally owned and really fresh. Then we're going to have a little explore of our hotel, which was Martas. Martas, we had a 2-bedroom apartment. It was really good for kids. They put an extra bed in there for us as well. Really comfortable, nice pool. You'll see it's about, I don't know, a couple of 100 metres from the beach, not even, maybe 50 metres from the beach. Perfect spot and lovely. And then finally we're going to catch the most epic sunset out there. And this might surprise you. Well, it's not the sunset, but you'll see and I'll show you where to go.
Come near us.
Hey you, would you do us a massive favour? Please give us a help and like and subscribe to our channel. It's a really big challenge to grow on YouTube, and we very much appreciate all the support you offer. Thanks very much. We hope you enjoy the video.
Just here, like. Yeah. Yep. Got good reviews. Hello.
Pulling into O's, really nice little spot. The menu was cheap, cheerful, lots of local Indonesian food. A couple of things were missing, but we suggested what would the cook want to do, and she prepared us some awesome, cheap, easy meals.
Yep. Can you, Willa, she's meant to shut the door.
The light was perfect. Beautiful orange humour. No one there, no music, just me on the beach enjoying it. Anyway, catch you around, like and subscribe. We've got more videos coming from the Indonesian islands, and hope to see you soon.